Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the incredible acceleration of Tesla cars. But before we get into the specifics, let's ask ourselves a question. What does it mean for a car to have instantaneous torque? Think about it. When you step on the gas pedal of a traditional car with a gasoline engine, there's a slight delay before the power kicks in. This is because the engine needs time to build up speed and torque. But with an electric motor, there's no such delay. The torque is available instantly, which means that the car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a matter of seconds. Tesla Model S. Let's take the Tesla Model S as an example. This car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.1 seconds. That's faster than a Formula One car. It's also faster than a Bugatti Chiron, which is one of the fastest cars in the world. Other Tesla models. The Tesla Model S isn't the only Tesla car with incredible acceleration. The Model 3 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. The Model X can do it in 2.6 seconds. And the upcoming Tesla Roadster is expected to be even faster, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 1.9 seconds. How does Tesla achieve this? So, how does Tesla achieve this incredible acceleration? Well, there are a few factors at play. First, Tesla cars have incredibly powerful electric motors. Second, they have a very efficient battery pack. And third, they have a sophisticated all-wheel drive system. Benefits of instantaneous torque. But the incredible acceleration of Tesla cars isn't just about bragging rights. It also has some practical benefits. For example, it can help you to avoid accidents. If you need to make a sudden maneuver to avoid a collision, you'll be able to accelerate quickly and get out of danger. So, there you have it. Tesla cars are some of the fastest accelerating cars in the world. And they're not just fast, they're also safe and practical. If you're looking for a car that can provide both thrills and everyday utility, then a Tesla is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and drive responsibly.